Uncle Mark here. Hi, how are you doing? Bumpy. Going to see a vehicle. It was actually supposed to be up today, the video. And something went up there, and one of our regular viewers, subscriber, Larry, thank you very much, says, you're saying it's a truck, but it's an Austin, which we put up a few weeks ago. This thing isn't going to hold very well, is it? All right, let's try and move this around a little bit here. Technical difficulties. So anyway, I'm thinking, well, that's odd. Maybe your notification's wrong. Maybe it's something with YouTube. No, I look, go on there. It's the wrong video. I'm thinking, well, YouTube messed up. I look back into my little, what do you call it? Files on my computer. It's the wrong video. So we're going to redo it here. Good thing it's not too far away. It's a Ford F6, I believe, cabin chassis that we've seen just driving along. It's in a weird spot. It's just begging to be looked at. Take a look. Let me turn here. No, good. It's still here. It's weird. It's just sitting on the side of the road here, begging to be seen. Let's get out and take a look at it. It's just along the road. There's the ditch. Hopefully I don't get ticked. It's just sitting there. It's a nice old truck. Like I say, this is deja vu for me because I've done this once before already. So it's an F6. I'll write in the description all that means. This I didn't notice before. Why is there holes there? Somebody put that on? Somebody changed something? That's original patina. Is kind of cool. From whatever year that was. Well, that phone number, where is it? Here. Well, I'll show you on the other side. Truck's full of junk. Windows are down just enough so that it doesn't boil. That's nice. It won't go in there though. Original gas tank, but then somebody's put a different tank on the side, it looks like. I don't think that's factory. See this rod here that goes to the front? It's a 2-speed axle, so that's neat. I'm not sure what this hose is for though, because it's almost like a self-oiler or something maybe. This is what I found out later on. The hose is original, and it was a vacuum shift, but those didn't work very well. So what they ended up doing is putting this linkage in, and they would shift with that, and that's what that is. Somebody never took the hose away, so the hose should be gone. The linkage actually shifts. Well, we'll have to take a look at that after. I don't know if there was a grain box on it or something before. Might have been. There's the phone number. 31-2. That's kind of neat. Well, that hood's got the holes in there, so maybe that's a factory thing. Holes in the roof there, I don't know if there were light bars up there or some kind of a visor maybe before. Big old original tires, they might be original. They're holding there. Oh, we're missing a lug nut. Seen some damage. One of the bumpers is missing. But last licensed, looks like 87. We'll leave the hood the way it is. Kind of neat anyway. Whoa. Old truck there. If you liked the video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe here in the corner. There'll be some more videos coming up of old vehicles if you like old vehicles. Just depends on when we stumble across them. Take care for now. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.